Marriage is the blessing designed by God. And today we get to witness the beginning of Michael and Alida's life together. It's God who designed marriage. He's the one who said it's not good that man should be alone. Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh.
Usually, the way these things go is I first met Mike, but I honestly don't remember when I first met Mike. However, the first time I really acknowledged his existence was at a Bible fellowship 7 years ago in Clifton, New Jersey. I always saw him around, and I was always like, what is wrong with this guy? Because he was always smiling at everything. He was sitting back there, he was looking around, not saying anything, and just smiling. And I was like, this isn't healthy.
Two are better than one, because they have a good reward of their labor. For if they fall, the one will lift up his fellow. But woe to him that is alone when he falleth, for he hath not another to help him up. If one prevail against him, two shall withstand him. And a threefold cord is not quickly broken. It's called the threefold cord because it's the man, the woman, and God together woven in a braid as one. A pledge is a promise to do something or an agreement to carry out something. Michael and Alida are going to make promises to each other before God with you all here as witnesses. From now on, they will be considered husband and wife, not two separate people. They will be one flesh.
Little did I know that this smiley, strange dude that I saw was a great answer to my prayer. Sorry. I prayed for a friend, a faithful friend who is all things to all men, who would stick by my side and who would allow me to be me.
Well, I didn't write a speech, so I'm just gonna wing it. But Alida's a really good sister. She's always been there for me, and I guess she's cool and stuff, so, you know.
Both of you guys are so easy to be around, and you're always one phone call away.
I, Michael, take you, Alida, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, to honor, to cherish, to sustain, and to love with all my heart, in every situation, under every condition, according to God's holy word, and that's who I pledge to you myself.
Michael, you may kiss the bride. now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you for the first time in the history of the world, Mr. and Mrs. Michael Gerlachs.